Hello, namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So, how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having a lovely day today. So, if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. Means a lot to me. Thank you so very much for all the love. Okay, so in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay, so today what I'm gonna do is a message what you need to know right now. Like, angel has a message for you right now. Okay, so that is going to be the topic for today. So this is going to be a collective reading, and these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. And these are timeless readings as well, so whenever you watch this reading might have a message for you. So let's see what angels want you to know right now. Okay, so let's see for the message for you all, guys. So angels, what you want them to know right now to the BUS. Thank you. Okay, that's a lot. Oh, okay, I'm just gonna shuffle again because I didn't feel it. So let's see the collective message, what you need to know, what angels want you to know right now. If you have been doing some collaboration or working with other people, or as a team, are you working or you're learning with other people, it's going to be okay, it's going to be good. That's what I'm getting here. Look, I just told about it, and we got the 3 of Earth cards. Look, I'm shuffling in front. So yeah, definitely I felt that the power of creativity, recognition for very high quality work, be a team player. So that's the message. So if you have been working on a creative project, or if you have been learning with other people, like doing group study or something like that, the result of it is going to be amazing. And I feel like you have the quality to lead the team. Okay, you have that quality, so don't undervalue your own talents. Sometimes we undervalue, sometimes we feel like that, oh, I cannot do this, I cannot lead these people. Yes, you can. You are here to lead. So this project, if you are working on a project, if you are collaborating, or if you have a collaboration coming, like if someone emailed you about a collaboration, think about it. Maybe this is a very good opportunity to show your skills, talents. Okay, yeah. And for others, I even feel like it's like doing some DIY project. If you're not working, if you're homemakers, maybe doing some DIY project, or maybe your kids have some project. Take the lead, because you can do it. You have that creativity, you have that spark, so go for it. Okay, and then we see here is a butterfly. Okay, so I'm very caught up with the butterfly. Maybe you're seeing butterflies, and angels are telling you butterflies. If you see a lot of butterflies, is a sign from angels that they are near you, or a passed on loved one is near you, so they are protecting you. And I can see a bubble over here, and I feel like you're very, very protected. So if this there is a collaboration, or you are taking a lead on something, you will be able to, climb the mountains and reach the top. Okay, so that's something I'm getting. So, and I even feel like that if you're feeling very creatively blocked right now, yeah, if you're feeling creatively blocked right now, understand that it's not going to be forever. So go out. If you can go near a lake or near a mountain, if you can go, or trees, if you can go out and take a fresh air, go and have a walk, because that will be very good for you. And if you are preparing for an exam or something like that, I feel like keep on working on that, because you will be recognized for your efforts, that's for sure. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm getting with the 3 of Earth right now. Let's see what else your angels want you to know right now. So prepare well, don't undervalue yourself, and yes, you have a lot of creative ideas. Work on those ideas. Go. And if there is a collaboration coming and where you want to travel, go for it. You will, don't worry about this. That's what your angels are telling you right now. So that's what they want you to know right now. Oh wow, Page of Water. So maybe you are doing this with a new person, okay? Maybe this is your friend or a new person that you are working with. So trust your intuition. I feel like that, okay? A new person enters your life, a relationship begins a new phase, heightened psychic abilities. For some of you, you will meet this person, and maybe you will, if you're single, maybe you will start dating, or you will be talking a lot, or you'll be chatting a lot. So of course, this person is little bit this is a person, this person wants to learn from you. I'm getting that also. And this can also be you working with your kids and making something like doing some DIY project. So yes, you can do that, you can help your kids. So don't undervalue yourself, and you are very creative people, so go for it, okay? You're very artistic, very creative, very intuitive, okay? And for others, if you've been working on your intuition, definitely your intuition is very, very heightened. And I feel like, as I told you, so whenever you see a butterfly, just take note on the feelings you're feeling, because that's something your spirit guides, your angels are telling you to do, like the feelings, emotions, the things you're thinking. And you're thinking something and you just see a butterfly, so write it down what you're thinking, because that is the message from angels. That's also I'm getting here, okay? For some of you, you're very good at football or something like that, and you have been doubting about it, so go for it, practice, okay? And if you have been meeting someone new at your work, I feel like this relationship is going to move forward. And but this person might be a little bit immature. They want to learn a lot of things from you. That's also I'm getting. Or very friendly nature, okay? So yeah, it can be a friend, okay? It can be a friend who wants to learn from you, and you will be teaching them a lot. So but their energy is good, so you will be having a lot of fun with them. So maybe if it's a project, you're going to have, this person might be a little bit immature, they will ask a lot of questions, but you will have fun with it, so enjoy with them. So if it's your kid, enjoy, answer their questions, be patient with them, okay? And include their creativity as well in that. You can lead them, you can lead children's. Okay, so wow, we have 9 of earth, and it's like you're yeah, this thing is going to give you money. So if you're working on a collaboration, if you're working with other people, if you're studying something new, or if you're planning a DIY project, that is going to give you a lot of happiness at the end, okay? People will appreciate you. For some of you, this will even give you a lot of increase in your finances, okay? So that's something I'm getting. So this collaboration, look, we have the 2 earth energy and page of water. So use your creativity, use your intuition, and work on that project, because this will give you a lot of success, okay? And we have the wings here again, the wings, feathers. It's a sign from your angels that they are near you. And interestingly, look at the background of these 2 pictures. They're the same, isn't it? Look, the mountains are there, but yeah, here also. So you are overcoming that, and reach like with from 3 to 9. Yeah, this is a start where you are where you're preparing, and you will be preparing well. You will be giving your ideas, and these ideas will give you a lot of success. So if you're planning to start a business, or if you're planning to do some creative projects, or if you're planning to get self-employed, this is a very good time to work with people. So if you're already self-employed, like if you're working from home, take this project, take this collaboration, and this will work out in your favor. That's something I'm getting. But at the same time, you need to take care of yourself as well. Definitely, you need to take care of yourself. You need to take care of your health, well-being. With this green, look at the green color for me is all about abundance, prosperity. Like, yeah, your work life is giving you a lot of happiness. That's something I'm getting. Your angels are telling you your work is going to be appreciated, recognized. You will have enough to spend on you. Maybe if you want to buy some luxury items for your kids, go ahead. You will have that money. For some of you, if you're working, or if you're working from home, maybe you're working from home, so your revenue, you will see an increase in your revenue. Maybe you do YouTube, or you do some special projects, or maybe you make products and sell. So I feel like you will have an increase in it. So believe in yourself, believe in your own creativity, do things uniquely, because you are unique here and no one is like you. So don't compare yourself to other people, okay? And definitely abundance is there, abundance is yours. I'm getting like abundance is yours. What you want to achieve, you will be able to achieve. It can be about an exam, Like if you're preparing with other people, you will be able to help them, as well as you will get good results. It can be also like that, like you are studying a subject and you're told to tutor other students. You're a student as well, so tutoring those students will help you to move forward with your studies as well. It is not going to be a waste of time, and in that you might receive some money also. So that's also I'm getting here. Okay, so yeah, this looks good. Okay, yeah, so if you have been wanting to buy something for yourself, so give that gift to yourself, angels are telling you. And you're a gift to the world. Okay, your creativity is a gift to the world. So let's see what else angels want you to know right now. I'm getting ancestral wisdom for some of you. So you are receiving a lot of messages from divine. So I'm just going to keep this here. So build up your confidence, okay? Be confident, okay? So work on your solar plexus chakra. That's something I'm getting. Maybe you're listening to a lot of meditation. If you are, you're doing good. So believe in yourself. Prepare for the best possible outcome. So like work on your creativity and prepare for the best results. Prepare yourself. Be more positive about it, okay? That's something I'm getting here. Confidence is important. And if you are someone who is selling products, be confident about your product. Like if you're an artist selling your artwork, be confident about it, the pricing. And yeah, don't feel that it is expensive or something like that. You're doing the hard work. So that's the thing. And I'm definitely getting with this Page of Water and 3 of Earth and 9 of Earth one more thing. So if you haven't received a collaboration or something like that, I feel like you will receive soon a good message for your work. Yeah, for your career or for your studies. That will make you so happy. With this 9 of Earth, you will be taking care of yourself. You will be like, maybe for some of you, you will have an interview, you will be getting that. Yeah, that is also the thing. Maybe you have applied for a job, so you will receive that message. Maybe an interview is going to happen, so you will be taking care of yourself, dressing nicely. So yeah, dress to impress. That's also I'm getting. So if you have a meeting coming in the near future, dress to impress, because you will be successful. Yeah, again we have 3 of Earth. So for some of you, look, 3 of Earth and 3 of Water. So there is a collaboration with people who will become your friends, or you are going to work with your friends. So yeah, definitely. And for some of you, if you have a wedding coming up where you're meeting your old friend, take care of yourself. Buy that dress that you always dreamt of, put it on, and again, dress to impress. I'm getting that. Okay, you're going to impress people. That's something I'm getting. Yeah, for some of you, definitely study wise also, you're working with your friends, you're studying with your friends, and that will be very beneficial for you guys. Yeah, sometimes they will be asking a little bit of stupid questions, but it will only make you learn a lot, okay, about that subject. And for others, definitely you might be collaborating with someone who is a friend of you, and that will give you a lot of abundance to them as well as to you, okay? And yeah, with this 3 of Earth and 3 of Water, the 3 number might be very significant for you guys. Maybe you're seeing a lot of 3s, and 3 is also, I'm getting I don't know why I associate 3 number with the color yellow, and we have the yellow candle today also. So I feel like it's all about your confidence. Don't let down your light, okay? Shine like a bright light. That's something I'm getting, because you are a bright light, and you maybe there is a dance that you're going to perform with your friends. So you are going to lead the team. You're going to do it very beautifully. People will appreciate you for that. It can be a dance, it can be a program that you're doing. So whatever it is, angels are telling you right now to be confident and to be the leader that you are. And you are maybe using creative steps and people will appreciate you. So something with your friends. It can be dance, it can be singing, it can be a DIY project, it can be with your children's. And yeah, you want, maybe for some of you, planning to buy something for yourself, go ahead and buy. Don't doubt about it. Like, don't think too much about it. Just go for it. Okay? Yeah, that's what your angels want you to know. The angels want you to know that you need to have a good time with your family, with your friends. Have that good time, have more fun, okay? Enjoy your work. That's what they're telling you to do right now. Let's see what else. Okay, that's a lot. Don't take too much of stress, and whenever you're feeling very stressed, give it to the angels, talk it out, or maybe if you have anyone near you or your friends, talk to them, okay? Don't keep it with you. Like, don't suppress it. That's not healthy. So if you have a problem, if you don't know what to do, maybe you can share your problem with someone and they might have a creative solution. Yeah, sometimes we don't have. Yeah, we have Two of Fire and Ace of Fire. Wow. So yeah, you have come into your own new partnership or contracts. Continue to move forward with this Three of Earth and Two of Fire. As I told you, new contracts might be happening. You will be for a new project. Maybe you have been preparing or a new business partnership. So read the documents, go for it. You have come, you have done a lot for some of you, yet with this Three of Earth and Two of Fire. So this is a partnership, this is a collaboration. So this is going to give you a lot of benefit financially as well. And yes, there is a spark in your creativity with this Ace of Fire. So yeah, as I told you, if you were feeling blocked with your creativity or something like that, so understand that the spark is coming back. You are going to have a lot of ideas and work on those ideas. For some of your new job is definitely, because we have Ace of Fire and Two of Fire, and then we have Three of Earth. You know, it's like a new job for some of you, a new job, an exciting job that where you will be able to like use your creativity that you always wanted to do. Maybe for some of you this is a start of something new, a creative project, and this will give you a lot of abundance. So yeah, things are looking good for you guys. Like, we enjoy these things and celebrate all your small wins, because I feel like a lot of abundance and prosperity is coming for you guys if you're watching this reading. Okay, so take note of that. New ideas, work on those ideas. For some of you, definitely career wise growth, as I told you with this Three of Earth. Also studies wise also, you will be feeling very good. There is progression. And for some of you, travel, I'm getting travel for your work, and it will be a very successful one. Okay, you will be enjoying. Maybe you will see places if you're going to a different place, and you will enjoy that work, because your work is a little bit creative, as I feel. Even though it's not creative, you are going to enjoy your work. So I feel many of you are going to enjoy what you do. And that's exciting. For some of you, this is a new job that will give you a lot of prosperity and success in the future. Okay, so maybe it's like you will start out, you know, your colleagues will become your friends. That kind of energy also I'm getting. You will be very happy with them. So a good work environment where you will be able to take care of yourself. A good smell, I'm getting like a very good lovely smell wherever you'll be enjoying everything. That's the thing. So if you're stressed about your career, if you're stressed about your studies, you don't have anything to stress. Instead, be confident in yourself. Don't give up. There is beautiful transformation happening for you guys right now. So you have done a lot. You have reached, for some of you, I feel definitely if you're resonating with this, you had a lot of success, small success. You have accomplished some sort of success. You have seen that financial raise in your career, but you want more. Your goals are like big, right? And you are going to reach those goals. I feel like, yeah, you're going to see that success that you want. Okay, so look, you are the magicians. You are ready. Yeah, you're ready. You are ready for this collaboration. You're ready for this work, this new opportunity that you're receiving. Definitely, this is a new opportunity that's coming your way. I told you. You're ready for that. You have all the resources. You have everything that you need inside of you. So don't lose hope. For some of you, it can be a love opportunity as well with this new opportunity. So this new opportunity will be full of fiery, full of passionate relationship. So here your spirit guides are telling you, you're ready. You have the resources or the ability to manifest them. Life is going to be magical for you guys. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, you are powerful manifestors. Don't doubt with this Three of Air energy. I feel like again we have this number 3, and I feel like you have been in this energy, and you are going to heal this energy, and you're moving forward. You have seen a lot of disappointment, but now it's not the time of disappointment. It's time to manifest your desires. your biggest desires, your biggest goals. Okay, that's what your angels want you to know right now. Yeah. Okay, yeah, it's the time to move forward. It's time to leave, live the baggages, like get out of your past. Nothing is there in your past. Now it's time to plant those seeds and see the fruition of it, and trust your intuition. Okay, keep moving forward. If there is a travel opportunity coming, go for it. Take that opportunity for your work. Justice is going to be served for you guys. If yes, there is victory, definitely there is victory for you guys in this. Okay, so you have been fighting hard, you have been not giving up, and I see that that's happening. So definitely strong partnership. For some of you, love partnership. For others, mostly I'm seeing this is about a career. For some of you, it can be even love. Okay, maybe you'll meet this person in your for work, but this might turn into a relationship. Yeah, friendship also. Oh wow, this is something worth waiting for. So maybe this is a collaboration that you have been waiting for and or a love opportunity that you have been waiting for, or a job opportunity. And it's angels are telling, yeah, things were slow, you had to go through a lot of disappointment, but this is worth waiting for. Yeah, you will be like, yeah, thank God at that time that thing didn't happen, because I got this amazing offer, amazing opportunity. Wow, passion. I was talking about passion. So this new relationship will be full of passion. This new idea, this new work that you're going to do will be full of passion. So as I told you, enjoy that. There is a lot of joyfulness, there is a lot of pleasure coming your way. You will be feeling that inside of your heart. So yes, your angels are telling you this relationship will give you a lot of like vibes. We have no the butterflies in your stomach vibes, something like that. And like this opportunity also will give you that. You are going to have that happiness. You will feel that happiness from inside because of your work. Maybe you will receive some good appreciation for your work, and you will feel that happiness. Like that happiness you're going to feel, and I can feel that for you. And in this relationship also, you will feel very happy talking to this person. You will this if this is a relationship, this is going to move forward. This will be a very passionate relationship, but most of all, you are going to be very, 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 very happy, and your heart is going to be very, very happy. That's what your angels are telling. So your angels have come today with a very beautiful message. So yeah, that's why I felt called to do this reading. So let's see. Retreat. It's time to disconnect from the world. So I feel like, what is this? We add that 3 of air energy and all. So I feel like you were in this energy where, or maybe you are right now in energy where you're thinking about things. You are taking that time out. You're aligning yourself. You're healing your broken heart. Maybe you have gone through a lot of disappointments. Now I feel like, so this thing, the solitude energy, you have been little bit. You will have been taking rest for the past few days, and you're going to recharge, and now this offer will give you a lot of passion, a lot of energy. Or for some of you, before I feel like before going to when you start this work, before starting this project, take some break, take some rest, let that energy get your energy back. For some of you, if you can go out, connect with nature, that will be very good. Okay. So yeah, for some of your wedding is also coming near. I'm getting like you have a wedding to attend. So yeah, take some time out so you can be looking and feeling good. Okay, that's also. Or for some of you, I feel like with this passion and retreat in your love life, you will be spending a lot of time with this person alone, talking to them, and your relationship is going to grow. So anything else, angels? Wow, playfulness. I told you. So this energy is full of playfulness. You need to and look, we have very soon. So these things are going to happen very soon. Okay. So you're going to meet this person very soon if you haven't met already, and if you haven't gotten that opportunity right now, I feel like you will be getting this opportunity very soon. So prepare. Like take good rest, so you will have the energy to work, because this is going that, like, the energy is gaining momentum, the progress is happening. So you will You will not be able to rest like you are able to do now. So take that rest, take that break. Okay, so yeah, a lot of playfulness energy is happening. So you're feeling very happy, you're enjoying your time, your work area, you're enjoying your love life, you're enjoying. A lot of playfulness is going to be there, I feel like. So you need to come into this energy of playfulness as well. That is also I'm getting here. So you need to enjoy the work, don't stress too much in your with this person. If you're already in a relationship, I feel like this is all about your collaboration with other people, your work, and it's also about connecting with your children. Okay, that is also I'm getting. Working on yourself, preparing for that wedding event or a travel that you are going to have very soon. Maybe you're planning to travel, or maybe you have a wedding or an event, so you'll be preparing yourself for that, buying those dress, preparing, like taking a break, going to a spa and all, something like that also I'm getting here. So all you need to do is to let go of the stress. There is no need for stress, angels are telling you right now that. So what you need to do is to to go, if you have a swing, go out and swing like a child. Okay, or if you can go out and play in the garden, play with your kids, just catch those butterflies, enjoy life. That's what that's what angels want you to know right now. So let's see, what is the message, what angels want you to surrender to right now, what they want you to surrender. Look, surrender to your soul's path. So for some of you, this is what you want to do. This is what you want to do. This is the thing that you're getting. Maybe you have already started. Maybe you have seen. I feel like you have seen some sort of success in this path. So, but you doubt. But you doubt your own creativity. But you doubt, oh my God, what if I will not be able to do it? Because I feel like you have little bit of low self-esteem where you don't feel so confident. You always doubt yourself. Don't do that. Okay? Surrender, because this is meant for you. This opportunity is yours. Okay, so yeah, don't doubt, let that confidence shine. For some of you, if you have an event, you might be like, oh my God, will I look beautiful, will people say that this? No, don't think. You look very beautiful, you are elegant, you are unique, so don't overthink about anything. Yeah, okay, that's a lot. Let's see what they need to surrender. Angels, what they need to surrender to. Yeah, surrender to the magic of who you are. Definitely, that is what you need to surrender. You are magical beings. Believe in the magic and you will see it. Believe in your magic, your own strengths, your own talents, and you will be able to make it, because you are magic. You are beautiful. You are unique. And with this 9 of Earth energy, that I can see that is going to shine out. People will be appreciating you, right? You can make whatever you want. If you believe in something, look at your past and look at those days where you believed in yourself and you made it happen, right? So yes, if you believe in it, you will be able to make it happen. You have gone through so many struggles and you made it through, right? So yes, so believe in yourself, believe in those the magic that you can create. And yes, even though people don't appreciate you, that doesn't mean that you are not worthy. It means that you are. So I feel like you need to surrender to that low self-esteem. You don't have to please anyone. Okay, you don't have to be in good terms with everyone, because you cannot be like that. There will be someone who will say something that we don't like, and it's okay, let it go. Okay, that's what the angel. So surrender to your addiction as well, because with this addiction card, what I'm getting is like maybe it's your stress that is, or maybe the doubt that you're addicted to, or maybe you don't even celebrate your own success. You're like, oh, this much only I did. Oh, what about this thing? Then you will go on to the next thing. So just enjoy that. Be playful. That's the thing. Spirit angels are telling you, be playful right now. Okay. And whenever you're feeling very stressed, retreat, take some time out. Yeah, or if you have a creative block right now, retreat, take some time out, go out in nature. Okay, take rest, take break. If you can sleep, that's also okay. So let's see what are the final messages, and then we will do the charms. Yeah. Oh wow, look with this, yeah, portals, new doors are opening up for you guys. New gates are opening up for you guys. So maybe this 12-12 portal is also important for you guys, or maybe this 11-11 portal, maybe that in that portal you something is activated, and yes, definitely there is a lot of opportunities coming your way. Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm getting with this portals card. Let's see. That's what angels want you to know right now. Okay. What is it? Butterflies. I told you, maybe butterflies feathers you're seeing. Butterflies sort of very important for you guys, and with this butterflies what I feel like is like transformation, beautiful transformation. Like you were in this cocoon, now you are becoming more confident, and yeah, and flying to great heights, feeling free, feeling authentic, like you are doing something that you always wanted to do, you're doing something that you always love to do, right? You don't, yeah, that's what I'm getting. And with this butterflies, as I told you, love, passed on loved ones or your ancestors, your angels come in the form of butterflies. So whenever you are like you are struggling, you're doubting yourself, and you see the butterfly, that means they are just reminding you that they are near you, they are near you. Okay, whenever you see a butterfly flutter through the grass, it is to remind you of the love of those who have passed. So definitely your loved ones who have passed on, they are with you, definitely. And we have believe. Yes, all you need to do is believe, that believe in yourself, be confident, shine that magic that you have. And look, the back of the deck, you are going good, you are on the right path, the way ahead is clear and true, you have chosen the right path for you. Lord Ganesh is also there clearing your all obstacles. I feel like magic is there when you believe. I told you that, right? Magic is there when you believe. So dream big things, you can achieve. Yes, you can achieve whatever you believe. If you believe that you can do that, you will be able to do it. If you believe you will not be able to do it, you will not be able to do it, right? So believing is important. What you believe in your, if you believe in yourself, if you're like, yes, I can make it, I will do it, then you will be able to do it. So let's see the charms as well. So angels message for you guys at this time. We have the number 4. Number 4 is all about stability, security, yeah, abundance, right? Prosperity, feeling stable, feeling secure. Making, you know, for some of you it's love also. Find like in love relationship, find, you know, meeting the person, feeling secure with them, feeling happy with them, right? Yeah, it's all about timing. So maybe I feel like the time is now for you guys. That's why this message you're watching, finally the time has arrived when you're going to shine your light. So yeah, don't let your doubt, don't let your doubt, your stress come in between. Don't let that happen, and believe in yourself. Believe. And yeah, stick to your plans, keep on working. And yeah, sometimes I only feel like you have some certain doubts that you need to clear, and yeah, things are opening up for you guys, because I feel like this is this is used to open the bottle. So I feel like things are going to open up for you guys. Finally the energy is, you're going to align. Yeah, I feel like you're going to be in the alignment in the near future very soon. Yeah, your ancestors, your spirit guides, your angelic team is with you. Your intuition is very, very strong. Listen to it. Wow, we have 4-leaf clover. Yes, abundance is your good luck, good luck. That's what I'm getting. Prosperity. This opportunity is going to be so prosperous. This collaboration is going to be so prosperous. This is going to give you so much success. And this romantic relationship is also going to give you so much happiness. Yeah, things are going to change for you guys. Dragon life changes coming. So don't be afraid of the change. Look, financial freedom for some of you. Freeing yourself from the past. Flying high. Freeing yourself from the stress. Believing in yourself more. And with this gun, security, you're protected. Lot of peace. And gun is also about wealth, I feel like. So yeah, meeting the romantic partner, like meeting the person that you always wanted to meet. Maybe first when you will meet this person, you will be like, oh, this is not for me. I mean, this is not the one I thought I want to be with. Like maybe you had a list, like this person should look like this, but but I feel like the more you will know them, I feel like you will be like, yeah, it doesn't matter how they look like. I feel it's like a deep connection that you will have. So it doesn't matter how they look like, what they're doing. It doesn't matter at that time. If they are from different culture, for some of you maybe different culture, different ethnicity, it will not matter. R, Z, maybe this is a clue. Y and K. And yeah, trust your intuition. You are going good. You are on the right path. Abundance is yours. Okay, so that's all the message your angels want you to give right now. So that's it. Okay, thank you for watching this reading. If you like the reading, give it a like, subscribe, comment, or a share. I will see you soon. Bye bye.